somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Mini Manny. Explorers.
It's such a nice day. I ordered things from the grocery store. The grocer should probably be here any minute. They are really good like that, honey.
Let me go and welcome him at the door. And after that, we can finally start on our journey to explore the mountainside.
What are you doing, Mutlu?
I'm trying to affect Yumuk's dream, Father. I'm whispering things to see in his ear. Thanks to me, he's going through some great adventures in his dreams.
Interesting. So you're telling me that you're telling him what he'll see in his dream, and he lives it like that.
Of course. We were pirates first, and we sailed all of the seas. And we sailed over the huge waves and fought with the dangerous storms. We're now heading to the mountains.
Boy, this is great.
Here you are. I brought your order, sir. Looks to me like you're having a good time with the kids this weekend.
This weekend, we have visitors from outer space staying with us. Their spaceship was apparently broken, and they'll be our guests for as long as it takes to fix it.
From outer space, huh? You really are so funny, sir. From outer space?
I'm telling you. They're here flying around.
Of course. You can't fool me, sir. You are a mature man. Why are you saying things like this? There's got to be a rope. They came from the stars? Ah, that's something to laugh at.
Would you look at that? I couldn't make the man believe. What happened, Manny? Hasn't your spaceship been repaired yet?
It's still not fixed, and we're explorers of outer space. We need to wander around and explore, but the spaceship is still broken. We can't go anywhere like this.
Are you the only one who has a spaceship here, Manny? Come with me. This here is my spaceship, a caravan, if you will. It can't fly, but it can take us anywhere we want.
So shall we wander around with this?
Of course, my dude.
For example, can we go to the shore again? What do you think, Dad?
That's a perfect idea, Neşe. We'll have a picnic. Then we'll go sometime tomorrow. In fact, early in the morning, huh? How's that?
Hooray! We are going to the shore!
All aboard? Let's go visit the grocer and pick up some food for the picnic first.
You really are so funny, sir. They came from space, and now they're going on a picnic.
It was a great idea to have a picnic, dear. The kids are over the moon.
Let our young explorers explore as many places as they can.
Hooray! Oh! Hey! Ah!
Can we go down to the shore? I want to show them the beach before it gets too late.
Of course, darling. But don't go too far.
Your mom is right, Neşe. And I do trust you. Just don't lose sight of your mom and dad right here, okay? Get going. Enjoy every square inch of the beach.
Awesome! I must say, your world is really beautiful, Neşe. Beautiful, Neşe. Beautiful, Neşe. Beautiful, Neşe.
Oh, wow!
Hoo-hoo! We are here!
Of course! What a cool echo! Why didn't my voice come back?
This This was amazing. It's all blue, and they're perfect.
Look how beautiful these colors are, Minnie.
Yes, look, even the stones are like that. This is so beautiful. Look at these colors, Manny.
Look, the color of this one is faded out.
I'm sure it was under the sunlight for a long time, but watch this. It's now colorful like it used to be.
Oh!
The colors that are close to the sea are still vivid, but the ones far away lose their colors, and there's nothing they can do about that. We need to rescue them before it gets late.
Let's pick them up and throw them back into the sea.
Don't you think we'll be exhausted?
I think I have a better idea, but let's pick up these stones first.
They're picking up stones by the shore.
I bet you'd make them disappear so their colors wouldn't get pale, right, honey?
I live in Technicolor.
So, Manny, what are we gonna do now?
We'll throw the stones back into the sea at once.
How do we do that?
With this controller and this combination. Ah!
That's so cool! We can conquer the seas now! Mutlu, the pirate of the seas! Let's leave these shores for the open sea!
Hold on a second, you guys. We're going around in circles. We only have one oar, that's why. I think we should have taken two.
Mutlu and the pirates of the seas! Let's go full speed ahead to shore, Skipper Sister!
There's no full speed ahead. Perfect timing, you muck! This place is amazing! We can throw the stones here and they'll look great, and the sun will bring out their colors for the sky. Goodbye, you beautiful little stones! Get your beautiful colors back as soon as possible. The sky's waiting to see them.
They're all asleep. Picking up stones from the shore and the paper ship adventure made them tired.
Fortunately, they didn't get in the water and put the stones there one by one. Oh, of course! Why didn't I think of it? Just give me a moment, honey. Then you all start to place the colorful stones in the water one by one in order.
Of course. I can totally fly as well.
It didn't make a pat noise, but it made a pot noise.
Shh! Don't do it, Manny. You'll wake everyone up.
I wonder if it'll make a noise when we go this way.
I just woke up, okay, sis? I can't believe this! I really woke up before my sister for the first time in my life!
Shh! I told you, Manny.
I am finally the earliest to wake up!
Hey, man. Why did you wake up so early today?
Early, huh?
Stop it, Manny. Look, you woke Mutlu up, silly.
Oh, bah. Why on earth do I even try anymore, huh?
Wait, Manny. What is this? Oh no, a leaf fell down. And this one is dry. Manny, please come quick.
What happened, Minnie?
Look at this. The leaves of trees constantly fall down. It's definitely because of all the noise that you were making.
But this turned all reddish and dry.
You know, I think we scared the tree. What are we gonna do now?
Let's stick it back in there.
What about the color?
We'll make it green again so then all's well in the world. It's not over yet. Who knows how many we've already tried to stick? Look, they're still falling.
Oh dear, another one fell down. Look, another one. We have to hurry. Neşe will be coming soon. Minnie, Manny, what are you guys doing up there? Come on down. We are coming right away, Neşe.
How green is the green in this dream?
This is not a dream, Mutlu. Everywhere is really green for real. Mutlu, are you sleeping again? He was like that all morning. He woke up too early, so he didn't sleep enough.
I don't know. We didn't do anything.
Look, dear, am I seeing this wrong? Or is everything green out here? My eyes may be going on me. I don't know.
Of course everything's green. That's our garden. Uh-oh. What happened out here?
Minnie and Manny, of course.
Why'd you make everything everywhere green?
I know it's all normally green. And yeah, I think it's a bit much.
Thing was, we actually woke up real early. Manny was trying to fix our ship. We sadly made the tree scared because Manny made too much noise, then its leaves went reddish and fell down. We painted the leaves that fell down and tried sticking them back, but
Yeah, I gotta say, we did paint a bit too much.
it's normal that the leaves change colors because the season of autumn is upon us.
Autumn season?
That's right, it's autumn now. Our world turns around the sun, and sometimes it gets close to the sun, and sometimes away from it. The weather gets warm as it nears the sun, and summer comes. Autumn comes as it starts to move away again.
So then it wasn't our fault then.
Of course not, guys. Come on, turn it back to its old self. You'll see that there are many wondrous colors you're missing out on. Come on, Manny. Make the leaves the color of autumn again.
No problem.
But now everything's turning yellow.
I don't think autumn came to Neşe's garden this year. I think it's coming.
Manny made a mistake when he was playing with the controller, but now, of course, he's trying to fix it. He's such a good boy.
Oh, look, Zainab came over. Welcome, Zuzu.
Oh, well, thank you, Aunt Sybil. It was all green at first, and then everywhere became yellow. What don't I get?
It was like that. The kids must have done it. They're probably around the treehouse.
There's surely something wrong with the controller. Tell Manny to turn it off and on again, and voila.
Of course, Uncle Kanan.
All I'm saying is it works on my computer.
Wait a minute, I don't think this color scheme works.
Hold up, I'm doing it.
Ooh, everywhere is yellow now. Now how can I dream up some silly things like this?
Hey there, Mutlu.
Wait, Susan, chill out. I'm asleep.
There used to be pink and purple flowers in our garden. Add those colors back as well.
Uncle Kanan said that you should turn it off and on again.
Oh!
Look, didn't I tell you? Turning it off and on again always works.
Mutlu, did you not get enough sleep?
Wait, Mom, I'm losing my dream.
Then I told them about autumn and everywhere became yellow. This happened as they were trying to fix the colors. Can you believe it?
I love autumn. It's the best. There'll be the first wind today, and then it's supposed to rain. My mom told me that. I got a huge umbrella that all of us will be able to fit under. Check it out. See this?
Oh, it's a really strange device. Your mom said that it'll be windy right before the rain comes in behind it, right, Zuzu?
Here comes the winds now.
But it's too strong, isn't it?
Oh no! My dad's umbrella's flying away. Hold it tight, Neşe.
It's dragging us along. Hey, wait for us too, you two.
Where did my dream go? I never got to see the last part.
It'll fly us away.
Hold on tight, Zuzu. Mutlu, help us.
Ah, looks like another dream. Wait a minute. I would have been the one with the umbrella having fun if it was my dream. So I guess I must be awake now. I'm coming, sis!
Bravo, Mutlu. Your timing couldn't be more perfect.
Wind is coming around again. Hold on tight.
Don't fall asleep and let the umbrella go.
I am wide awake.
Wake up, Mutlu. You have to get up already. You missed the whole day.
Sure did. And unfortunately, I need to go now. Can you give me my umbrella back?
I had some really wonderful dreams today, but the last one was the very best.
All right, go ahead. Tell us about them.